Yo, before you click off, let me tell you how I made over 600 videos in the past year. Okay? So, it all started about a year ago, right? And I said, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna make videos about reacting to music videos. Not music videos, but music stuff. Rap. In like in particular, like in the sense of I'm going to be reacting to so many videos dealing with rap music, so many videos talking about the industry, sampling, producers, all types of rappers, all types of artists in the music industry that goes under rap and or pop. But I did it. I'm proud of myself. And I can show y'all how to do it. You see, I may have 337 subscribers, but yeah. Okay, but hear me out. Look how many videos I got, though. I'm proud of my videos, okay? I am so proud of my videos. Let's get into it. So, as of right now, my Men Are Easy Mia Khalifa. How many views I got? I got 4, but I got 1 like, though. Hey, that 1 like means a lot to me. Roe versus Wave. Fuck dudes that want to have opinions about women's bodies. I don't agree with that. So, boom. Kendrick plays his Respect at Virgil's Louis Vuitton show this summer, like a few days ago. And Tyler, the Creator, was talking about his love for Mr. Morale. Boom. That's 6. And the Roe versus Wade. Not Wave. I keep saying like Rod Wave. I keep thinking about that. I'm my bad. But Roe versus Wade, 2 views. Okay. This is what I'm going to say. Everyone, please. Look, you could be just like me. You could get 1,500 views every month, bro. You could be just like me. You get 119 watch time, bro. You could be just like me. Trust me, bro. This is not that bad. Starting out, this is not that bad, bro. I love being a small creator, but I want to be a bigger creator. So, why I made this video? If you're still here, you a real one. Because it's just going to be like a 4-minute video. Trust me. You could trust me. Look at me. I don't look trustworthy. Anyways, what I'm trying to get at, right? I need your help. So, I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. No, it's 1,000 subscribers. If I get to 1,000 subscribers, I could get monetized. So, help me help y'all. Say this. If I get me to 1,000 subscribers, I will make 12,000 YouTube videos. With the 600 I have, I make another, 600. No, 1,200 videos, not 12,000. My bad. That's too fucking much. But 1,200 more, no, 600 more YouTube videos. Let's say that. How does that sound, everyone? I personally think that sounds good. Let me know what y'all think. I feel like if y'all really, if this video blows up, hey, I do not mind. I just want y'all to know that I'm fucking dedicated to this shit, bro. Like, I will make videos about all types of stuff. From Mia Khalifa. The only reason why I did a video about Mia Khalifa and Roe versus Wade, because those are topics I feel like I had to say on this channel. Other than that is music. My Tario Breakdown channel is where I talk more about political stuff and my opinions on it as a young black man. But y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead, like, subscribe, share, buy some merch in the comments below. Do what you do. But let's get this to 1,000 subs. Please, let's get this to 1,000 subs. I feel like I've been deserved 1,000 subs, at least 20,000. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to just keep putting videos. I'm going to keep putting these videos out for all y'all to see. So all y'all going to know that I'm dedicated. And I really want to do this. And I do this every day. Peace. Mario the poet.